Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss exercise 8.1 question number 3 of trigonometry. Okay. It is given in the question, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Okay. So first of all you have to draw a figure, that is right angle triangle ABC. Okay, in which angle B is 90 degree. Okay, so it is given in the question sin of A is 3 by 4. We all know that sin theta is equal to P by H. So this 3 is treated as perpendicular and 4 is treated as hypotenuse. So with respect to this angle A, so our P is this side, opposite side of this angle. So here it is 3 and hypotenuse is this longest side AC. So here I write 3 and 4. Okay, from this given equation sin A is equal to 3 by 4. This is perpendicular and hypotenuse, so I mark it here. Okay, now after getting these two sides, you can easily find the third side of this triangle. Okay, it is given that sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so now using the Pythagoras theorem, okay, the longest side, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, now putting the value of AC is 4 here and AB you have to find, and BC is given 3 centimeter. So now 4 square is equal to 16 is equal to AB square plus 3 square is 9. Okay, now 16 minus 9 is equal to AB square. 16 minus 9 is 7 centimeter, that is equal to AB square. So this is AB square is equal to 7, so AB is equal to under root of 7. Okay, so AB is root 7 centimeter, so I write it here, AB is root 7. Okay, after getting these three sides, you have to find in the question that calculate cos A and tan A. So cos A, here see, this is cos A. Cos A, you all know that cos A is equal to B by H according to the formula I discussed in the previous video. So according to this angle A, B is what? AB, and H is what? AC. So I write here AB by AC. Okay, so here AB is root 7 and AC is 4. So I write it here, AB is root 7 and AC is 4. So here we will get the cos of A. Similarly, you have to find the tan A. So tan theta is what? P by B. Okay, so with respect to this angle A, okay, see here angle A, P is what? BC and B is AB. So I write it here, AB by BC by AB. So here BC is how much? That is 3 by AB is root 7. So here 3 by root 7. These are the two values which we have to calculate in the first question, that is cos A and tan A. Okay, I hope you all understand this. Now moving towards the next question, that is question number 4. See, question number 4 is saying, given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. Okay, so it is given in the question that 15 cot A is equal to 8, so I can write cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Okay, so this 15 comes as a denominator, so it is a fraction 8 by 15. So cot A is equal to 8 by 15, that means we all know that cot theta is what? How much? That is B by P, base by perpendicular. Okay, so this 8 is like B and this 15 is like P. So first you have to draw one figure, that is right angle triangle ABC. Okay, in which angle B is 90 degree. So here angle is given A, so this is angle A. Okay, so with respect to this angle A, so cot theta is B by P. So B is what? This one is base, so you will write it here 8 and perpendicular is 15. So perpendicular is this side BC with respect to this angle, so this is 15. Okay, so this is B by P. Okay, this is base and this is perpendicular. Okay, so after writing these two are in, it is given in the question, so you can easily find this third side of the triangle AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So see here, I find it. So from this given figure, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. I write it here. So BC and AB, both the values are given, that is 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square is 225 and 8 square is 64. So AC square is equal to, that is 289. So now AC is equal to root under 289, and we all know that 289 is the square of 17. Okay, so the square root of 289 is 17. So AC is equal to 17 centimeter. So I can write it here, 17 centimeter. Now these are the three sides of triangle ABC. AB is 8, BC is 15 and AC is 17. And now we have to find sin A and sec A. Okay, see here, sin A is equal to, we all know sin theta is P by H. So with respect to this angle A, P is what? Opposite side of this angle. Always perpendicular is always opposite side of that given angle. Okay, so P is BC 15 and H is AC, that is 17. So I write it here, BC by AC, that is 15 by 17. So this is my answer. Similarly, you have to find the sec A. Sec theta is what? H by B. Okay, you all have to learn this. Sec theta is always hypotenuse by base. So according to this angle A, B is what? H is AC and base is AB. So I write it here, AC by AB, that is AC is 17 and AB is 8. So 17 by 8 is the value of sin A. Okay, so this is all about question number 4. I hope you understand this. Okay, now see, moving towards the question number 5. In question number 5, it is given that sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all the other trigonometric ratios. Okay, it is given that in the question that sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, and we know that sec theta is always H by B. Okay, सो ये जो 13 है ये हाइपोटेन्यूज का काम कर रहा है और ये 12 बेस का काम कर रहा है. ओके, सो first draw one right angle triangle, that is PQR. You can consider any triangle PQR or ABC or XYZ, it doesn't matter. So here the angle is theta, so you will consider anywhere theta, this here or here also. Okay, so I take it here theta angle. Okay, so according to this theta, this is hypotenuse 13 and base is 12. So with respect to this angle theta, hypotenuse is this side, longest side, PR. So I write it here 13. Okay, and the base is 12, so base is here 12 with respect to this angle theta. So height, hypotenuse and the base is given. So first of all you have to find its perpendicular. How? By using the Pythagoras theorem. So apply it. So applying Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square here. Okay, so putting the values, PR is 13 square is equal to PQ square plus QR is 12 square. Okay, 13 square is 169 is equal to PQ square plus 12 square is 144. Okay, now this 144 comes to this LHS part. 169 minus 144 is equal to PQ square. So 169 minus 144, that is 25, is equal to PQ square. So PQ is equal to root under 25. So now PQ is how much? That is 5 centimeter. Okay, square root of 25 is 5 centimeter. So that is we will get the value PQ is 5. So I write it here 5. Okay, now in this way we will get all the three sides of triangle PQR. Okay, now it is given in question, you have to find all the other trigonometric ratios. That means sec theta is given, that means you have to find the rest 5 trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta and cot theta. Okay, sin theta is p by h. First of all, you have to learn all these formulas. Okay, sin theta is how much, cos theta is how much. Okay, so this is sin theta is p by h. So with respect to this angle theta, p is this pq and h is this pr. So I write it here pq by pr. Here see pq by pr, that is now putting the value 5 by 13. So we will get this answer, sin theta. Similarly, cos theta is b by h. B by h is what, this is b and this is h, so that is 12 by 13. So I get it here 12 by 13. Tan theta is what, p by b. With respect to this angle theta, p is what, pq and base is qr, that is 5 by 12. So this is 5 by 12. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, I discussed in the last video. Okay, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. That means if sin theta is p by h, so reciprocal of this is what, h by p. So now just reverse it, that is pr by pq. See here, pr by pq is equal to 13 by 5. Okay, and the after that sec theta is given in the question only, so no need to find that. And the last one is cot theta is what, b by p, which is the reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is p by b and the cot theta is b by p, just opposite of it. So that is qr by pq, and that is 12 by 5. In this way we will find the rest of the 5 trigonometric ratios. I think you all have understood this. Okay, now moving towards the next question, that is question number 6. See, if it is given in the question, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, so you have to consider the triangle, right angle triangle ABC, in which angle A and B both are acute angle triangle. So you all know that this is right angle triangle, so this is 90 degree and rest the two angles are acute angle triangle. So you will take these two vertices A and B here, no need to take B here. Okay, now it is given that is cos A is equal to cos of B. So these two angles with respect to this angle, okay, cos A. So cos A is what, cos theta is always b by h. So with respect to this angle, base is what, this one is base, AC. Okay, so I write it here AC base by hypotenuse, that is AB. So this side is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse is always fixed, this is the h. Okay, and these two base and perpendiculars are interchanged, okay, with respect to these two angles. So B is AC and hypotenuse is AB. So I write it here AC by AB. Okay, this is with respect to at this angle A. And similarly you have to find cos of B, that means you have to find it from this angle B. Okay, so cos of B is with respect to this angle. Now the base is changed, now this is the base, that is BC. I write it here BC by B by H. H is what, is AB, this is the H, so I write it here, that is AB. Okay, now seeing these two equations, denominator both the denominator are same, so I cancel it out, AB and AB. So here I can write AC is equal to BC, that means AC is this side and BC is this side. Okay, if these two sides are equal, so we can say that these two angles are also equal. Okay, so I can write, if AC is equal to BC, so I can write angle A is equal to angle B. The reason is what, that is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, you all know this property of triangle. If the two sides of a triangle are equal, so then the angle opposite to the corresponding sides are also equal. So in this way we can verify it. It is very simple. So this is, you can write hence proved. Okay, now see this question number 7. This is also very easy question. Cot theta, if cot theta is 7/8, it is given. Okay, so you have to find the value of 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, and the second one is cot square theta. Okay, now see how we can solve this one. Cot theta is given, that is 7/8. Okay, so cot theta is what? B by P. Recall this one, that is B and this is P. Okay, remember this, cot theta is always B by P. So हमारा यहाँ B क्या हो गया 7 और P हो गया 8. So now you have to draw one figure, right angle triangle. Okay, take it here theta. Okay, with respect to this theta, base is what? This 7. So here you will write here, this is the base of this triangle. So this is 7 and the perpendicular is 8. So you will write it here 8. Okay, now the P and B's, you are having P and B, we can easily find out this side. Okay, this is the longest side, that is the hypotenuse. So consider it any triangle, suppose it is a triangle ABC. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, okay, find this side AC. So AC square is equal to how much? That is AB square plus BC square. Okay, so AB is how much? That is 8 square and BC is 7 square. 8 square is 64 and 7 square is 49. So add both these two, that is 113. So I can write AC is equal to under root of 113. This is not a perfect square number, so write it like this only, that is root under 113. So this side AC is root under 113 centimeter. Okay, now you have to find this 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. Recall one algebraic formula, A plus B and A minus B. You all know that is A square plus B square. Here A is 1 and B is sin theta. So to find this, okay, see, question is 1 minus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. So can I write it like A square minus B square? So we can write 1 square minus sin square theta by, here also in the denominator part, 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta, that is A square minus B square. So this is 1 square minus cos square theta. So it becomes what? 1 square is 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so so in this, what we have to find the sin theta and cos theta. After getting the value of sin theta and cos theta, we will put it here. Okay, so see in this part, so we can find here sin theta. So see here, sin theta is how much? That is P by H. So with respect to this angle theta, P is what? This 8 and H is what? This one AC. So that is, we can write 8 by under root 113. Okay, this is sin theta. Similarly, we can write cos theta also. Cos theta we all know that is b by h. So with respect to this angle, b is what? BC, and h is AC. So we can write 7 by under root 1113. So these are the two values of sin theta and cos theta. So you have to put these two values in this part. So I can write 1 minus sin square theta. So the value of sin theta is what? That is 8 by root under 113 का whole square by 1 minus 7 by root under 113 का whole square. Okay, now see it. So this is 1 minus whole square. Okay, so 8 square is what? 64 by root 113 अंडर रूट 113 का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा? 113 बाई here also 1 minus 7 square is 49 by root under 113 square is 113. Now solve this one. So this is, we can write, take it at LCM, 113. So this is what? 113 minus 64 upon 113 minus 49 by 113. Now in this part, this 113 is cancel out. So now subtract these two. So that is 113 minus 64 by 113 minus 49. So subtract it. Okay, that is 9 and that is 4. 49 and 113 minus 49 is 4, that is 64. So this is our answer. Okay, the value of sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta is this one. Okay, in this way we will solve this. Here we apply the algebraic identity a plus b and a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Okay, so this is the first one, and the second one in the question, you have to find the cot square theta. So see here, cot square theta is equal to what? So from this also we can easily find out the cot theta. See this figure. So we can also find the cot theta. See, cot theta is what always? That is b by p. Okay, so with respect to this angle theta, b is what? This BC, and p is what? This AB. So this is 7 by 8. Okay, so cot theta is what? B by p, that is 7 by 8. Okay, now putting this value 7 by 8 here, we have to find cot square theta. So cot theta we are having 7 by 8. So just we will do the square of this, that is 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64. So this is our final answer. Okay, very simple. Look at this again. Okay, you have to find these three. Okay, sin theta, cos theta and cot theta. Now putting these values in the required section. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it for today, and the rest 2-3 question we will upload in the next video. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Okay, thank you all.